glow. She's the night riding high with a biopunk flow, unlocking the secrets, the codes of the life, with freedom as her sword and responsibility rife. Cells in her hand, she's a healer of fate, collaborates with nature, she won't hesitate. LanaCoin glimmers, a currency of thought, knowledge liberated, no longer cold. LanaCoin night, no 15 the spark, dancing with the shadows, igniting the dark. Modify with meaning, heal with code, a vibrant revolution, watch her explode. With questions like arrows she pierces through doubt, not playing God, but she'll still figure it out. Nature's her partner, a collaborative quest, finding the balance, she'll pass every test. Her spirit electric under neon lights, she weaves through the chaos, ignites the nights, healing the planet one cell at a time. Her legacy whispers like a melodic rhyme. LanaCoin night, no 15 the spark, dancing with the shadows, igniting the dark. Modify with meaning, heal with code, a vibrant revolution, watch her explode. Unlocking the past, rewriting the song, nature and science where we all belong. Lana's the bridge, the future's embrace. In this biopunk tale, we all find our place. She navigates the cells, the codes in her mind, a guardian of balance, a voice so kind. Through circuits and genomes, her passion flows right, bringing us hope as she shines bright. Every modification with purpose and care heals the broken pieces, a gift we can share. Not just a scientist, but a force of the light. LanaCoin night, forever in LanaCoin night, no 15 the spark, dancing with the shadows, ignite